AI is evolving faster than ever, and it's not just helping us, it's replacing us. From writers to designers, even coders. AI is stepping into roles we once thought were safe. In today's video, we will explore the top AI tools that are set to replace human jobs by the end of 2025 and what you can do to stay ahead of the curve. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can write blogs, scripts, emails, and even books. Companies are using them to reduce content team sizes. Freelancers in copywriting and SEO need to upskill or combine tools with strategy. Copywriters, be aware, AI does not need coffee breaks and it writes in seconds. Canvas AI, Runway, and Pika Labs are redefining design and video workflows. Logos, thumbnails, animations, talking avatars, all without a designer. Entry level graphic designers and editors are most at risk. What took hours can now be done in minutes. AI just made the design agency one person. AI chatbots are replacing customer services with tools like Intercom, Drift, and Meta AI. 24/7 availability, instant answers, cost effective. Many companies are slashing call center cost. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't argue, and always follows the script. That's a that's a recruiter's dream and a worker's nightmare. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Codium, and Replit AI are now writing full functions, debugging, and refactoring code. Junior developers and interns may be the first to feel the heat. However, AI still needs human oversight for now. AI can code faster, but not always smarter. Developers must evolve from coders to problem solvers. To stay relevant, you can learn prompt engineering, data analysis, and ethical AI management. Focus on creativity, strategy, and human centered rules AI can't replace. Combine AI tools with your expertise. Don't compact, collaborate. AI won't steal your job. Someone using AI will, so why not be that person? If this video helped you understand what's coming, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Newsotech for more powerful insight on AI, tech, and the future of work.